What's going on, my lovely people? What's going on? How are we today? Look, okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to show you a way to pick newer products that are coming onto the market, okay? I'm going to show you one, maybe two websites that you're going to be able to go to, and you'll be able to look at newer launches. So basically what's happening is they give you a list of everything that's coming in the near future, okay? So say it's, today's August, 10th or something like that. So August 10th, let's say there's something coming in August 17th, you'll be able to see that product, 7 days before it launches, kind of get an idea what you want to do. So if you wanted to be able to actually sit down and push that product before, the world gets a hold of it, you could get an idea. You can even write the seller and say, hey, look, can I get like a review copy of this so I can look it over and get an idea. They have competitions going on. They tell you all kinds of different things. So with that being said, I want to jump in the computer and I want to show you these websites that you guys can see where, kind of get an idea of the products. The reason I'm bringing you this is not because I want you to be able to beat the competition to it. It's more of, a lot of people wonder how old products are, but the thing is you want a product to be working, but you can also, with a newer one, do a comparison. So you got one, like, say you're doing something like, what's a good one? I'm trying to think of the word, like basketball, like How to Jump Higher. And they come up with a new program, How to Jump Higher Plus or something. Let's just say that, for example. Okay, and you take the Jump Higher, it's been doing good. People have been paying for it, people have been selling for it, everything's going up, okay? But they come out with this new one, the Plus version, and say you want to say, okay, it might not even be the Plus version by the same seller. It might be the owned version by like another person. They're saying they got the better version. So you could say, hey, I've been through this one and I could do this one. And you could say, they've done research and everything's going through on this. So let's go ahead and jump on the new one. And let me show you the difference between the old one and the new one. Okay. So you could show them, hey, look, I believe that the newer one has a lot of better benefits because it's, you can jump higher in 60 days compared to 90 days or something like that, okay? So the reason you want to look at stuff like this is not only because you want to be the newest to the market, but you could also use older stuff to compare it to and, show why it's better than the old stuff, okay? Or you could do something where you could book the two products together or something where you're like, okay, well, this one has its benefits here and this one has its benefits over here. You can get both today for this price or da-da-da-da, okay? So remember, we got to run on emotions. We got to teach people how to run on emotions, okay? And what I mean by that is, obviously, if I said, hey, are you a broke college student in school? Let me teach you how to make, $10,000 in the next 30 days to be able to put yourself through college. I'm going to tweak that emotional feel right there. And the thing is, that's when people go, oh my God, I have to have this. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into the computer and I'm going to show you guys the website. It's called muncheye.com, and there's another one called OfferVault. But OfferVault is a whole bunch of different affiliate programs, products and programs, networks. And I'm going to show you that also. So guys, let's go ahead and jump in the computer and let's do this thing. Guys, how you doing? All right, now we're in the computer. Woo. Man, I just suddenly got tired. That was weird. Okay, we are in the computer. We are looking at what I want to tell you about, called muncheye.com. Remember that, munch, like I, like eyeball.com. Okay, what muncheye.com is it's another affiliate network in a version. And basically what it's doing is telling you a whole bunch of products that are coming out in the foreseeable future very shortly. Like today's the 10th, you got one that's coming out on the 11th, okay? And these are all end date, okay? And then you have ones over here that are just regular launches. So you got your big launches, your big dogs, and then you got your all launches over here. Reason these are called big launches is because a lot of them will have something like a competition or something where you can win more money. Like say, let's click this one right here. Let's find out why it's highlighted. I've never actually looked into the time to see why it's highlighted. Wow, there's going to be a lot of launches coming up soon, guys. Oh, no. Where is my mouse? There it is. Okay, we're going to go all the way down to the bottom. No, doesn't tell me there. Doesn't tell me there. Whatever. Okay, we're going to go in here and we're going to click it. Okay. And if you see right here, you have your launch is 11 a.m. on Monday, August 17th. It is a WordPress toolkit. So that's what WP means, is WordPress Toolkit Traffic Guard. Stop losing valuable clicks. Visitors landing on a 404 page aren't going to be impressed. Turn the wasted traffic into profits in moments. Optimize your profits. Okay. This actually does not have a quiz. Not a quiz, a competition, but you get a 50% commission on it. You get the front end price is $12 to $17 dime sell. Don't ask me what a dime sell is. Your affiliate network is Warrior Plus, and your niche is SEO and traffic. So basically, you're getting people to come to your website, and it's keeping them from getting a 404 page. And basically, it's trying to help you out. Let's see if we visit the sales pages, there's something else that we're not seeing here. Okay, wait, before you proceed to the W2, you're gonna watch this video. Okay, sign into the fascinating. Okay, so basically, you'll get this as a free gift. You'll get the Predictably Irritation by Dan Ariely, and then it'll take you down here. You put your email in there to get your bonus. You get another book here for a bonus, How to Get Around the 7 Most Common Online Roadblocks. These are your free baits that you give people, guys. We'll get into that later. Don't worry. I'll teach you all about free baits and everything else, but you get all this for free. These are your bonuses, okay? So you get 5 bonuses for signing up with this product. Okay, they got a video there. We're not going to watch the video. We're going to go back to Muncheye. All right. And what we're going to do, here's another featured thing. But yeah, this is basically a website that's teaching you all the new stuff that's coming out, all the products that are coming out to the market that you don't know about yet, that you'll be able to push here the next couple of days, like anywhere from August 11th to December down here, and then you got August 10th, which means it's today, all the way down to the bottom, which is July 1st of next year. Interesting. I don't think that means July 1st of next year. I think this is July of like this year is what I think. So don't quote me on that because I'm not getting yelled at about it. But I don't know why somebody pushed something out a year ahead of time. So you got all these launches. You can go over here and click, any launch over here. You can click any launch over here. And basically you just go here and you click it. And it'll tell you your front end commission or your front end price. You get a 50% commission of that, so it's $47. So you would get somewhere around $23.50 for that every time you sold the product. It's got a huge video launch. Click here to receive alerts from Simon Warner. He's the vendor of it. But yeah, there's your launch. There's no other information on this one for some reason. I don't know why, but you got that. Guys, I see this guy right here, Dan DeSilva. He's actually a very, very big name in internet marketing. He's actually very good at what he does. And so we have our 500 students. What is the 100K blueprint? This is all about drop shipping. He's teaching you drop shipping. Looks like, see right here, contest, $15,000. Sales at $100,000, but they have pricing contests up to $100,000. I don't know if it's I'm thinking it's for $15,000. But hey, a competition's a competition, right? So go over here, click this. Since 2020 is finally happening. Woo, yeah, we're all excited about that. Let me tell you. Over $2 million generated in testing over the last 3 months. Your launch details is a $998 commission. Okay. $50,000 in sales prizes, $10,000 in lead prizes, over $105,000 in total prizes. Okay. It's going to launch on the 13th, the pre-launch. Then you got to open cart, and it's going to close on the 29th. So basically what would happen is you would get in there, and you would get all the products, start pushing it here for a pre-launch, getting everybody excited on your list. Right here, you'd get your open cart, you'd go ahead and start pushing it, and it would close 9 days later, so you could build your email sequence from the 13th to the 29th. Get people excited, sell them, and bum, bum, bum. So listen, I'm very amazing, but it tells you all the people are here. $50,000 first place for Justin Atlin and Milana, okay? Second place is Fred Lamb. Third place is Mark Ling. Fourth place is Stephen Alden. They, some of these actually really big names. Onyx and Gall, yeah, he's a multi-millionaire in this space. Mark Ling, I don't know who he is. Justin Atlin, he actually is, yeah, we're not going to get into him because it's not even fair. But it's not possible to win, though. Commission Hero, and Kivo Code. If these are together, that's amazing, guys. Amazing. Okay. But I think all it's doing is showing his ranking and the contests he's been in. So he was in 5th place here. He was in 10th place here. So lead prizes, yeah. So guys, I know this is me just talking about stuff, but I'm just trying to give you an idea of what you're looking at. So $50,000 for first place. It's pretty insane. So you register as an affiliate down here, and they'll basically on the 13th start giving you all your stuff that you need. They probably even do it earlier so you can go ahead and get started doing all your email stuff. But guys, this is the website that you want to go to if you want to start pushing products and you don't know like anything, like say it's old to you, you don't want to know how old a product is, and you want something brand new off the market, and you want something like this that's going to do big things, then boom, there you go. It's called muncheye.com. Another one that doesn't do something like this, doesn't tell you, but another one you can use as a whole bunch of affiliate things is called offervault.com. And basically right here, OfferVault has everything that you could be looking for, okay? And the reason I don't want to subscribe now. You might want to subscribe to that, guys, if you want to learn some stuff. I've just already been subscribed to them, so. But you have all these different networks. You see all these different affiliate networks. It's insane how many affiliate networks are in this world. But say you want to look up something like Fungus Destroyer. But say let's look up ketogenic, okay? So let's just type in keto. All right, we're gonna hit search. Oh, adult pills, isn't that lovely? But does it got keto on the? No. All right, I'll hit search. So I get, oh, isn't that lovely? Okay, well we get adult pills. I guess it's part of keto. But you got keto here, keto here, keto here, keto here. Garcinia Cambogia. You got the South Beach Keto Diet. You got the South Beach Diet, Advanced Keto. You have all these different networks they're part of. They tell you how much you're getting paid out with each one. Okay, if you click them, it'll give you basically the highest to lowest. I guess that's, well, yeah, the highest to lowest is basically what they're giving you. So if you want to know, like, hey, what's making me the most money? It's adult pills. Isn't that lovely? $140 for this one. So basically, that's a CPA. It looks like a CPA network. Let's go to Smash Loud. You click here. It'll take you to the affiliate network. You just sign up here, and then you can get the product name. So, like I said, it's not exactly the same exact thing as Muncheye, but it gives you the ideas of like if you want to look at products of what's going on, and it's kind of like the Google of affiliate networks, because basically it's going to tell you all the different products that are out there for what you search for. It's going to tell you all the different networks you can get in, what the category is, what kind of type it is. Is it CPA? Is it lead? Well, I guess this one is a lead and this one's a CPA. What a lead is basically is you're going to get people into email marketing, and you want to get them on your email list and stuff like that, so that you want, basically you're getting a lead from them. Okay, so if you want a little bit more information on that, I can explain differently, or not differently, but more thoroughly. So just give me a heads up in the comments, or I don't know. You can even email me. Tell me in the comments, or tell me in the comments you want to email me. I'll give you my personal email. We can go from there. Okay, guys. I hope this makes a lot of sense. I know these videos, I know this video is probably a little confusing to you because you're like, okay, what is all this? I'm just giving you ideas how to find different products. Okay. We've already gone over how to find a niche, how to find your target market, how to find the product for your target market and your niche, or just your niche. Now I'm teaching you how to find like if you're doing weight loss, like for a niche, like we are, like an example, you could put weight loss right here. Okay. And it's going to bring up all these different weight loss products, Nutrisystem, South Beach, Keto Advanced, all these different products. It's going to tell you how much you're making, what affiliate networks you're going through. A lot of these, like Guru Media, I've heard of. Sling Ads, I've never heard of them. I want to say actually I have. AffiliateX.com, that's a good one. But that's the thing, is all these are different affiliate networks. They're not, I'm not saying they're amazing networks, so you want to kind of look into them before you get, but Guru Media obviously is all over the flipping place here. We go to another one. You got Express Revenue, Sling Ads, Guru Media, Affiliate X. So yeah, kind of look into them. If you have any questions, I mean, if you click on something like, Dr. Cash, okay, let's go here. If it looks sketchy, like what is Dr. Cash? Okay, let's look at this. Affiliates. Look like it's a well put together thing. So I wouldn't sweat it too much. But look it up, check it out, see how you feel about it before you start putting your time and effort into, because guess what? I'd even do like a review on it. Let's just say go to Google and put reviews on Dr. Cash affiliate. Oh, not ad, affiliate. See what it says. Cash is one, blah, 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 blah. It's got a 2.5 star. So you want to look up stuff like this, because if you 2.5 star, it's kind of iffy. Okay, but I would look up stuff like this, and then you can have people say, hey, I was an affiliate for this company and they didn't pay me. Or, hey, I was an affiliate for this company and every time I ever sell anything, they're right on top of their money, da 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 da. Okay? Check them out. Make sure you do your homework, guys. This is not something that you can just jump into and make millions, okay? This is something you have to put in the time, the effort, and once you start doing, you start understanding all this, the money will start flowing in, okay, guys? I'm out of here. I hope you have a wonderful day. I love doing this. So if you got questions, don't be afraid to hit the freaking subscribe button and hit me some comments down there. I will answer, no problem. We're going to get into other things. I'm doing this affiliate series, but what I also want to do is I want to do some videos on the side of what people are searching for. If you have something you want to see, put it down in the comments. Let me go ahead and know what you're looking for, because I would love to help you out. And let's get things going. All right, guys, I love you. I appreciate you watching. And remember, you know how I always say, keep your eyes towards the sky and keep your head up. Okay, guys? Peace.